Okay, this video I will guide you how to do the setup. Okay, the common setup that we are using. Press the setup button. So the first one is screensaver. Okay, so what you need to do, press this button. You can see this interval. Make sure you are closing. Do not turn on 100 millisecond because this is a time lapse. You're not going to use this. Make sure it's closed. And then go to the cycle. Okay, you can use 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. When full, the memory card are auto loop recording. Do not turn close. Normally we are using the 1 minute for each video. So the next thing is the gravity. You can set low, medium or high. If you want to turn on gravity, you turn to the medium. Okay, normally we also use close. Okay, it's up to you. You can explore yourself. Motion, this function is not really useful unless you are familiar with it. Okay, so you better turn close. So this is how we do the setting. Thank you.